If you're looking for better study tips for exam prep, stop switching between 5 different study apps and try Medley. Medley is an all-in-one study platform where you upload your lecture slides and notes and it turns them into flashcards, summaries, and practice questions. And the mock exams are based on your actual course content. Here, I just add my course, upload all my notes, lecture slides, and readings into one place, and Medley organizes everything for me automatically. All my study materials stay together. For my assignment, I click the brainstorm session and click the file. Medley creates a visual brainstorm map with different idea boxes, connected points, and relevant sources pulled from my uploaded materials. I can clearly see the possible arguments, supporting evidence, and how everything links together before I start writing. It makes planning assignments so much easier when you don't know where to begin. Then I move into assignment outline, where Medley takes those brainstorm ideas and helps organize them into a clear structure for my work. It lays everything out into sections so I can see how my introduction, main points, supporting evidence, and conclusion could flow. It makes the whole assignment feel way less overwhelming because I already know what I want to cover before I even start drafting. Then I upload my assignment activity and go into draft and revise, where Medley helps me develop my work section by section. It guides me through improving each part of my draft, refining my ideas, strengthening my explanations, and making sure my response stays aligned with the assignment brief and materials I uploaded. Then I upload my updated draft into Get Feedback again, and Medley reviews the new version with another round of detailed feedback. I can keep refining my assignments, improve weak areas, and make sure everything is clearer, stronger, and ready before submission. After finalizing my assignment, I click Auto Organize, and Medley automatically sorts all my files and study materials into the right place, keeping everything neat and easy to find. Here's the best part. For exam prep, I add a new course for my module, upload all my lecture files, and head over to lectures and click Visualized Summary. Medley turns my lecture content into a visual lecture map that breaks down the key topics, highlight the most important concepts, and show how different ideas connect across the lecture. So instead of just reading through dense slides, I can understand the full topic structure and revise the bigger picture more effectively. Here I click Lecture Notes, and Medley turns my uploaded lecture content into organized notes that break down the key information from the lecture into clear structured sections. It highlights the main concepts, simplifying complex explanations and helping me review everything in an easier format than raw lecture slides. Here's my favorite part, the flashcards. Medley takes my uploaded lecture materials and generates revisions flashcards based on the key concept from my course content. It helps me actively test my memory, review important definitions and ideas, and study in a more interactive way instead of just rereading my notes. It makes memorizing content much faster because the flashcards are tailored to actual lectures. Also, I use mock exams. Medley generates full custom exams based on my uploaded course materials and past papers. I can practice under exam-style condition with questions that match the structure and level of my actual assessments. It's one of the best ways I test my knowledge before the real exam and see which topic I still need to revise. After studying, I click Auto Organize, and Medley automatically sorts all my lecture files and notes into the right places. For another subject, I add a new course for my exam prep, upload my lecture materials, and then use mock exams, where Medley generates full exam-style papers. The mock exam is based on my uploaded course content and any past papers I provide, creating realistic practice exam that match my format, structure, and level of actual assessment. I can properly test my understanding before the real exam comes. I also use the study guide, where Medley takes all of my uploaded lecture materials and build a structured revision guide for the module. It organizes the content into key topics and subtopics, summarizing the most important concept from my lectures and creating a clear roadmap what I need to know for the exam. It helps me focus my revision on the most relevant materials and makes it easier to study systematically instead of guessing what to cover. Here's what I always use, the mind map. Medley converts my uploaded course materials into the visual mind map that connects key topics, subtopics, and concepts together. It helps me see how everything links across the module so I can understand relationships between ideas and revise the subject into a more visual and structured way. What I like the most is to chat with Medley and ask to highlight specific parts of my file. It pulls directly from my uploaded materials to point out the most relevant sections, explain important information, and show exactly where the answer came from, so I can quickly find key details in my notes without searching through the whole document myself. Lastly, I chat with Medley and ask to explain the figure I just uploaded. It breaks down the diagram or visuals into simple terms using the context from my course materials. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with exam prep and don't know where to start, definitely give Medley a try. Medley helps keep everything organized, makes revision situation more manageable and honestly take so much stress out of studying. So click the link in my description to check it out and study smarter.